Hi guys, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Saket and in this video we are going to review the adjustments done on 16th of September 2021. So today was a wild day and Bank Nifty almost rallied close to 800 points and it also hit a all-time high of 37,720. So this was mainly because of the announcement by the FM about the bad bank. So most probably it's because of that. And today there was a fresh breakout seen on Bank Nifty on daily charts as well as weekly charts. And right now Bank Nifty is looking extremely positive. So we also had a 36,700 short straddle, which was not really hedged. And it was a hard time adjusting the same. So we did manage to end in profits today thanks to the adjustments which we did, right? And I'll be showing you what exactly we did to the same. Right. So before moving on, if you recollect from the previous video that is uploaded today morning itself, so you can go back and check it out. So we had three positions open. One is Bank Nifty ratio spread. Second one is Bank Nifty short straddle, as well as third one is double diagonal calendar in Nifty. So these were the three positions open. Right. So now I'll be showing you what exactly happened to today's position. So if you see today's position, overall we had a profit of close to 2,94,000. And I will be showing you what are the adjustments we did. And when I come to day wise, so what you get to see here is what we have saved from adjusting. So because of the adjustments we did, we were able to save somewhere close to 13,39,000 just because of the adjustments. And if we hadn't done this, so our net would be somewhere around negative 10 lakh. So first we'll be quickly starting off with what exits we made, right? So we completely came out of Nifty position because we wanted some additional margins to adjust in Bank Nifty. All the Nifty positions were exited at a minimal profit of 13,000 only. So we were actually lucky that we could get out of this position in the right time, because market rallied quite a lot and we would be in a huge loss otherwise. So we got out of this when Nifty was trading around 17,500. All the Nifty positions were closed. So next we had Bank Nifty positions, and here I'll show you what are the adjustments which we did and how the new payoff graph is looking like, right? So first we'll be discussing about the Bank Nifty ratio spread. So if you recollect yesterday, so this was the ratio spread we were having, that is 36,000 call option, 40 lots or 1000 quantity buy, and we had shorted 37,580 lots as well as 38,040 lots. So as you can see here, yesterday we were having this as well as this. So these were the three positions which we had yesterday. And you can see that this ratio is currently giving us a profit of 1,45,000. But if not for the adjustments, you can just calculate this, we would be at a negative 5 lakh. So we'll see what are the adjustments that we have done. So right after the market started to shoot up, we short a 37,000 put option. So that basically made a payoff graph look something similar to this. But 37,000 was taken out decisively and we saw some strong buying coming in. When that started to happen, we went long on 40 lots of 36,500 call option. Again, it is very deep in the money. So by doing this adjustment, you can see what exactly happened to our break even. So we purchased this when Bank Nifty was nearing around 37,300. So by doing this, now our break even on the downside was 36,800 as well as break even on the upside was 39,412, right? So after that, we also ended up purchasing one more call option of 38,500. So one thing what I have done is this is not 30th expiry, this is 23rd expiry. So we ended purchasing this also. So the entire thing won't be giving us a very good idea because I can only go up till 23rd of September. So I'll just remove this for now, right? So you can basically get an idea from this chart alone. right? As you can see, this entire trade was adjusted by just adding on to 2 more trades. So what were those 2 more trades? One, we shorted the put option. By shorting the put option, we could actually push our break even on the upside little more further away. And then just to add additional boost to the market, we ended up purchasing 36,500 options also. So these two were the adjustments which we did. So just to see what supported our view, as you can see, everything is a month end option. And today we saw a lot of unwinding of 37,000 calls for month end. So we are not even talking about the current week. Month end, we saw a lot of unwinding of 37,000 calls and a huge addition of 37,500 puts. So that's the reason it gave us a conviction that technically there is a breakout in Bank Nifty. It is at an all-time high and it was underperforming all these days, and we can expect Bank Nifty to head up higher, right? And when you actually look at the open interest on month end basis, you see a huge addition of 37,500 put option, whereas we also saw some dip in 37,000 call option. So overall, if you see, so there is a lot of money going into 37,000 short straddle, and there has been some amount added to 37,500 short straddles also. So that's the reason we were okay with having a higher break even on the lower side. So for example, if you see this, right now we have a break even at 36,862. So what if by 23rd market actually ends up coming to 37,000? So we'll be somewhere going to a loss, right? But the thing is, here we have another Bank Nifty short straddle. So that is yesterday's short straddle, and I'll be showing you what adjustments we did for the same. So here you can see that I have filtered based on expiry days. So when I put 23rd September, so you see that today this trade alone has given us somewhere around 1,33,000, and if not for the adjusted positions, our loss would have been huge. So how did we actually adjust this? So if you recall yesterday, the only positions what we had was these, right? So that means my break even was very close. Yesterday my break even was around 37,500, right? So initially, as the market started to shoot up, the first thing or the most important thing which we did was purchase a hedge. So we were like, first we will put our upside to safety, and then we'll decide about shorting additional puts or calls. So now Bank Nifty crossed 37,000. So the thing is, after it started crossing 37,000, all I had to do was to cover this loss of 2 lakh. I just had to take some additional credits. So how can I take some additional credits? First, I went to safety and I shorted 36,000 put option. So you can see that 2.8 lakh now became 2.45 lakh, right? So now the market further started to shoot up. I came in little more closer and shorted 36,500 put option. So by shorting this and taking additional credits, now you can see my overall loss has just been reduced to 1.7 lakh. And when Bank Nifty actually crossed 37,500, I shorted further more lots of 37,000 PE. So making sure that wherever it goes on the upside now, I will be ending in profit of at least 1 lakh. So from here, if it is actually going to come back, I will be having around 6 to 7 lakh of profit. Whereas in the other ratio spread, so this is the place where I'll be losing a little money, but wherever it goes on the upside, that shouldn't be a cause of concern because we'll be making some good profits. So these two are the trades and the trade adjustment which we have taken, and the main reason for that was the technicals. So there was a very strong breakout and it was supported by OI data, which is even more better, right? And now if I show the combined chart of all the strategies put together, so it would look something similar to this. So we can only plot till 23rd of September because many options are expiring on 23rd of September. So if Bank Nifty actually ends up trading somewhere around here, we can actually expect a profit of around 4 to 5 lakh till next expiry. And on the downside, we have a lower break even of 36,719, and I'm quite comfortable with this. So the moment we fall below 37,200, I'll be squaring off all the positions. So I won't be actually waiting till 36,719. So the moment we fall below 37,200, I'll be squaring off all the positions. So this is the current trade what we are holding. So thanks to the adjustments, we were actually able to end today with a good profit of around 3 lakh. And even though we had done a naked short straddle with no hedge, still with some adjustments later on, we were able to convert a loss making position into a profitable one, right? So I hope that you guys have liked this particular video and you understood how exactly we were able to adjust the positions, right? So I told you the rationale behind adjusting each of the trades, what exactly we did and how exactly that changed the payoff graph. And right now we are sitting in this position where till next week, as long as Bank Nifty is trading above 37,200, I have no worries. So the moment it drops below that, it will create a cause of concern. So above that, we'll be ending with pretty good profits itself, right? So with that, we also come to the end of this video. And if you're liking the content on this channel, then please do hit the like button, share this video, as well as subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for joining, guys, and see you soon in the next one. Thank you.